U visa is an immigration form of relief that was created in the year 2000 under the Battered Immigrant Women Protection Act of the Victims of Trafficking Protection Act of 2000. So the goal of the U visa was to create an incentive for immigrant victims of certain types of crimes who were not in lawful status to report those crimes that were being perpetrated against them. Because the legislature recognized that there was a significant amount of criminal activity going on which was not being reported, and it was because those victims were undocumented immigrants and afraid to go to the police for fear of deportation or other consequences. The U visa allows these victims to regularize their status as they continue helping law enforcement investigate and prosecute the crimes that were committed against them. It's a temporary visa, which is in effect for 4 years, and it allows you to stay in the country legally for 4 years and to work legally for 4 years. And after 3 years in that status, it then allows the person to file for adjustment of status for their green card. So it's not a direct route to residency, but the option is there after 3 years. In order to qualify for the U visa, you have to meet certain criteria. The first of which is that you have to be the victim of a crime and have information about that crime. You have to have reported it to an agency that has the power to investigate it. It could be the police department, the district attorney's office or prosecutor's office, the court system, the EEOC, anyone who has the authority to investigate crimes. You have to have suffered substantial abuse as a result of that crime. You also have to provide documentation to show that you have been helpful, are being helpful, or are likely to be helpful in the future. And so with the new regulations, there is a form called the Supplement B, which has to be signed by the agency confirming your helpfulness in that investigation. It's also important to know that not every crime victim is eligible for the U visa. It's certain types of crimes such as rape, sexual assault, domestic violence, torture, female genital mutilation, abduction, witness tampering, felonious assault, so more serious forms of assault, and there's a long list of these types of crimes.